how to change Instagram password step by step. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open Instagram app in our mobile phone. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. Simply click on down right side profile pic. Once I click here you guys will see on top right corner three lines. Simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see saved archive, but on top you guys can see account center. So simply click on account center. Once we click here you guys will see password and security on third number. So simply click on password and security. Once we click here you guys will see change password, two-factor authentication and other things. So simply click on change password. Once we click here you guys will simply select your Instagram account, because my Instagram account has connected to my Facebook account and Meta account. In your phone it will say on Instagram account like show, but it depends. If you have connected other accounts it will show here as well. So for example, I want to change my password of Instagram, so simply I will click on Instagram. Once I click here you guys will write current password. After that you guys will write new password and retype new password, and after that click on continue. And once you do that, that's it, our password will be changed. Thanks for watching.